Waiting for the Almighty to unfold His plan for you isn't always easy. So many factors to consider. But know that in the end, the wait by divine appointment will be worth it. When you finally see what's in store for you, all your woes will be forgotten. Human beings are trained and conditioned to follow. But ask yourself, do you know what you're following? Don't be afraid to break the cycle. Keep asking the Almighty for guidance. The straight path can be lonely at times. It often is. But think of the ultimate, eternal destination. When you don't practice what you preach, this is what happens. You start losing your credibility. Your words start to lose value. Remember, action speaks louder than words. So be mindful when saying something. It's always easy to engage the mouth even before the brain kicks in. Have you ever faced a challenge you never thought you'd survive? Well, you did, and you're here today. Compare yourself then and now and you'll realize how much you've grown and became stronger as a result of your tests. Remember, He will never test you more than you can handle. When you're in the midst of a storm and you're wondering where the Almighty is, remember He has not forsaken you. He has not forgotten you. All you need to do is ask. Anchor your hope firmly. And keep asking. This is not a one-off effort. He will respond in His time. Trust Him. The trouble with many of us is we love to pick on people, jump on their failures and criticize their faults. We do it with such passion like it's a natural pastime. Bear in mind that it could all come back to us at any time, any day. Remember that what goes around, comes around. It's common for some to turn back to the Almighty only when a calamity strikes. At other times, they're happy just being caught up in this worldly life. That is far from ideal. Let's realign our priorities because we're supposed to remember Him in both good and bad times. Don't fear your struggles. Face them head on. It's part of life. Sacrifice in order to emerge from your life tests in a manner that's pleasing to the Almighty. Remember, we will all be tested. There are no exceptions. Learn to give up the short-term comfort for the long-term win. Don't look at your problems and think they're insurmountable. Don't look at your trials and think no one else has it as bad as you. Instead, learn to rise to the challenge and pass each test with gratitude and humility, knowing the Almighty placed them in your life for a reason. Whenever you find someone who brings out the best in you, stay connected to them. They're a rare breed. Today, too many are preoccupied with bringing others down. Normal people don't do that. It's the insecure ones who have to make excuses to put others down to feel confident.